Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. I hope everybody's well. Welcome to Tag Team Friday. Today we're going to make a Milliner's tag, and for that I have printed out two copies of these tags, which come from the wallpaper gift tags bundle. And this lady is from the Milliner's bundle. And this lady is and this one as well is from the Milliner's bundle. So I've used these two bundles. I have ribbon here, and I also have these feathers, which I will be using a little bit later. To start with, I'm going to fussy cut the two tags back and front, which will be placed on the back and the front. So these tags I have printed on at my printer 123%. Now we're ready with these. So now I will distress both of the sides before I glue them on. Now I will glue them back to back and attach them. So I will create both sides the same, with the same design, the same tag. There we are. That's it. So trim a bit. Now we'll just distress a little bit more. All right, so now that I have my tag ready, I will also punch the hole. Add the ribbon. There, and now the tag is ready. All right, so now I'm going to cut the ladies with a hat. And now I will prepare the other lady with the dress. I will also distress the two ladies here. I will attach the this one here on the back, actually here, which will be that will be the back of the tag. She will be on the back, something there on the back to have the interest, and I think it looks really lovely there. And now I will put this one here in the front of the tag. So before I attach her, I have created this. I have bunched together the plumes. I wrapped a ribbon around, a little bead, and then I put through this brad. So I am going to attach that onto her hat. And then I will glue her onto the tag. There she is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will be talking again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.